girls, I hope that you could put all together the materials to begin. The first thing that I want to tell you is that we're going to do our first step of our project. Look, we're going to pick up the balloon and we're going to cut until here. Like this long part of the balloon, we cut it. Then we pick up the cylinder of the toilet paper, and maybe you can ask for a little bit of help of your mom, and you're going to put the balloon on the border like this. Can you see? And then with Scotch, you're going to be sure that the balloon is not going to fall off. You put it around, and now it's ready. Okay, I try it. It's working. Let's go and do the second step. Step number 2, we're going to color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 pieces of paper with 6 different colors. So now go and color. Okay girls, I told you that this was the most fun part of the project. You will begin using this, but you need to make like little balls with the papers. And I am ready here with my 6 balls of different colors. And what are you going to do? You put one inside, you pull, and you let them fly. You pick up the other one, and you pull. Pick up the other one, and the other one, and the other one, the other one. Ah, ready girls, go and do it! Okay girls, you can see the papers that are here on the floor. What are we going to do now? We're going to pick up a white piece of paper, a lead pencil, and we're going to record the order of the papers from the one that is most far away from the one that got closer to you, okay? The closest. So we're going to begin opening the paper and coloring to put the colors in order, okay? I'm going to show you how. Let's go. Okay, girls, did you have fun? I did. Now that the project is done, you are going to show me in the order that your papers fell when you threw them. So, in my case, the yellow one first, the purple second, the orange third, the red fourth, the pink fifth, and the green sixth. It was amazing. So when you have your record of your papers ready, upload it to Edmodo so that we can share how far did they flew when you throw them. Have lots of fun.